Look at this car, what happened? Bumper, front bumper, both sides is a scratch, one side is cracked. This is another side, scratch. What happened to my car? Somebody did in my family members, I assuming. Do I have a teenager? Yes, who has a temporary driver license and bring this car every night. So these things happen, I think. So let me figure out how to repair this crack, scratch, big scratch, deep scratch and cracks. So look what I found these days to repair these cracks. This is the basically bumper crack repair kit. Plastic welding machine. With gun, the staples, everything in the package. Everything in the package. This is a plastic welding machine to repair crack the bumper. I think this is works. And what? I bought at the Harbor Freight epoxy putty stick. Let's try. I can repair these cracks or not. Look at this. This is a very nice set. There are 4 types of staple came in. I see. Like this. And this enough staple. So let's check. This will fit. So push in here, and the light is on. Get hot, and you gotta match it. Get hot. Look at that. Get hot. So cool down. Just wait, cool down. Then take out. Cool down and take out. So let me count how quick hits, right? So I push button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So quick. So stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All heat up. Okay, let me heat up. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Look at it already. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick staple. Quick setting. Just I think 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds, heating and cool down. Let's see. Need to grind off this, stick it out this staple. Cut the staple, but you cannot cut down all the way flat. So need to grind off. Okay, now basically I think solid one piece. Need just putty and sanding and paint. That's it, I think. No more crack. Not gonna be cracked no more. Not bad. It's alright.